Hey everybody, it's Dave. I'm here at the Fairfax Station Railroad Museum in Fairfax Station, Virginia. Anyway, I didn't even know when this thing opens. It's only open from 1 to 4 o'clock on Sundays, and it's about 1:15 on a Sunday. So anyway, there you go. I'm not going to be like Caravan Carolyn and read the whole thing, but if you want to read it, you can hit pause and read it. Interesting though, huh? Museum open today, and we got a caboose out here. Oh yeah. Very cool, very cool. Wonder how they got it here. The track doesn't go very far. And a railroad crossing. Quite a lot of rail lines running through this part of Northern Virginia. Railroad motor car. Please do not climb on the speeder. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's take a quick look in here. Ah, there we are. Okay, we got the door on the other side there. And here we go. Pretty cool, huh? A sink. This is cool. A little train set here. This is not to scale. Lake Accotink Park. That's okay. There's the trestle at Lake Accotink. You've seen me hike over around there. Wow. And St. Mary's Church on Fairfax Station Road. And then here's Manassas, downtown Manassas. Granted, it's not to scale, but some interesting little sidelights there. And of course, very cool. Kind of bleak in here, but it is kind of neat. The old caboose. I guess that's where the train guys would live, right? While they were on the train, right? Oh yeah, very cool. A private road. Oh yeah.
Before the horrible battle was over, they were out there getting shot at. They did not have anything more than small arms to defend themselves. They did not wear uniforms, so if they got captured, they might be shot as spies if they didn't cooperate with the secessionists and use their abilities against them.
A comptometer. And an old pencil sharpener.
I was proud of each and every one. They stretched more than 20,000 miles.
Ka-ching, ka-ching. Pretty cool.
Some of
Fairfax
us went on
Station.
to other things, but most stayed in the telegraph business. I fear that the world will never know what the lads did then.
Look at that. Cool.
Only for one. Yeah, there's only one. They work on both of them. Oh, I mean,
This was dedicated in 1987, October 14th. We're just past the 30th anniversary.
Wow, wow.
Opened up as a museum in 1988.
Okay, okay.
And we try to preserve the flavor of the times, you know, the importance of railroading to...
Right.
The critical role that the station played during the American Civil War. And then, of course, what was life like at the railroad depot.
Right.
For those who lived there.
Yeah, this was really out in the country back then. It's like middle of suburbia today.
It
yeah.
Was, it really is. And it's when you can feel it just coming off this Fairfax Station Road. I mean,
it suddenly turns rural. Yeah.
In the 1900s all of a sudden. So it's a unique little place, and that's what we try to convey is the intimate things. You know, we're not going to try to compete with big railroad museums or something like that, but try to bring it down to the local.
I do a lot of hiking on the W&O&D, and it's amazing to see all Vienna Station and all those stations are still there. Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's it. In the quick
update. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Now what we're going to do?
Let me just shoot some other video. Yeah, look at this. Telecommunications at Fairfax Station. Wow. Yeah. So this place was all rebuilt. And the two different waiting areas here. You know, the white folks and the colored folks over there. The white folks got the heater, so they were warmer in the winter. Wow. And here we are right about there. Okay, you see the W&OD, that's the old rail line that used to go through the Reston, Herndon, Vienna area. And then here's the Southern Railway line. That still is in operation today. Yeah, I found it.
This is
all the old rail lines throughout northern Virginia here, all the way down to Richmond, Culpeper, Orange County. And the green one is Fairfax Station where we are now. Cool, man. Look at all the battlefields. Look at them all. You just hear of a few major ones, but look at all those red X's. Wow. All across northern Virginia, up into Winchester, down the Shenandoah Valley, down to, of course, Richmond, Appomattox, Manassas, Sharpsburg, Antietam. Hello.
How are ya?
Pretty good. If I was only a kid again.
Oh, come on. There's probably a shirt here that says still plays with trains. I
My new look.
I got hungry when I saw the train.
Like that. How was it work? Oh, it's like too late.
Yeah, no, just for future reference.
Oh, okay.
It's just residential use, it's not real helpful.
Okay.
Operations and maintenance.
So I guess you'll be Friday? Sounds good, yeah.
Okay, folks, it's the Fairfax Station Railroad Museum, located just off of Route 123 south of Fairfax Ox Road. It's open on Sundays from 1 to 4. Most Sundays, unless it's a major holiday. They also have some activities here on Saturdays occasionally. You can sign up for their mailing list. There's their address and their phone number and their website, and they're on Facebook. And there's the how to get there. Very cool little place here. A lot of, $4 admission to get in, and you can join some sort of a benefactors thing, and then you get like free admission whenever you want to come and whatever. But very nice day here. This is the 12th of November 2017. This whole building was rebuilt by high school students years ago. But anyway, the original rail line is still there. It's down the hill and over there, but really cool place. I enjoyed it a lot. Nice, friendly people too. Check it out. The train's coming. Here it comes. Here it comes, man. Holy cow. Yeah, oh yeah.